Expelled BJP MLA Basanagouda Patil Yatnal has once again landed in legal trouble, with police registering a fresh case against him for allegedly delivering a hate speech in Karnataka's Yadgir district. According to the police, the incident took place on February 21st in Gurumatkal town, where Yatnal attended a public event as chief guest following a grand procession held to mark Shivaji Jayanti celebrations. During his address, Yatnal allegedly made controversial remarks targeting a particular community. The FIR states that Yatnal quoted a Hindi poem aimed at a specific community and made remarks about Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru. He allegedly referred to Mahatma Gandhi as the father of Pakistan and made comments invoking the term love jihad along with derogatory references to certain historical figures. Police said the speech triggered widespread backlash on news and social media platforms, with many accusing the MLA of promoting communal disharmony. Following the outrage, authorities conducted a preliminary inquiry, examined video footage of the speech, prepared a transcript, and sought legal opinion from the district police office. Based on this, a case was registered on February 23rd at the Gurumatkal police station under various sections of the BNS. This is not the first time Yatnal has faced legal action for derogatory remarks. He has been booked in similar cases in the past, adding to his list of controversies even after being expelled from the BJP. The case has once again raised concerns over hate speech, political accountability, and the impact of inflammatory speech making on communal harmony.